Hello everyone, how you doing? It is Dave Bondi here, and we are coming on Facebook Live tonight to give you some breaking news. President Donald Trump might, well, not might, he is banning TikTok. He said tonight, Friday night, August 31st, that he will be banning TikTok. Go ahead and share this video out with all of your friends, especially your younger viewers, but some older people like TikTok as well. Like my fan page if you haven't done so already. Like my fan page. Also, at the bottom of the screen, I have a video that explains more about this. And I'm also going to put the link to my Instagram page because Instagram is owned by Facebook, right? Yeah, Instagram is owned by Facebook. So I want to take your comments. I want this to be a time as to hear all of you, what you have to say about this, because there's a lot of confusion as to what's being done, if it's allowed to be done, and the authority behind it. So I'm going to go ahead and give you, I'm going to break it all down. I'm going to take your questions here. Hold on, everyone. Okay, sorry, just doing something real quick. Yeah, so President Trump will be banning TikTok, he said, as early as Saturday. Hold on here. Okay, hold on. Okay, so sorry everyone, just working multiple sources, multiple things here going on at one time. Um, yeah, just wanted to know your opinion. President Trump saying he is banning TikTok in the United States because it is a security threat. He has said in the past that TikTok is a possible or could be used for spying, spying on not only citizens but government in the United States, and that is something that he has talked about several times before. I want to know what all of you think below. So a lot of people are saying, doesn't he have more to deal with than just this? He has a lot more going on in the country. But President Trump, let me take a look right here. Okay, President Trump said he will take action Saturday. He's saying he's allowed to do this under the economic powers or an executive order to enforce the action. He is saying that he has the authority to do that he does not need to consult with Congress on this or get any authorization. This is according to the president tonight. He made these comments aboard Air Force One. And someone's saying people take away our freedom. Glad he did this, says Jennifer Bales. Well, I'm going to follow me on Instagram because I have my Instagram page, instagram.com, Dave Bondi TV. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, that is an American company, I believe, yes. Owned by Facebook still. I know a lot of the social media companies, there's been a lot of pressure lately from a lot of people involving the social media companies in the United States. Some are saying that they are censoring Democrats, Republicans, but this news coming out a short time ago that President Trump saying he will ban TikTok. What does this mean? I'm not sure. If you open TikTok at midnight tonight, will it go away? Will it no longer be on your phone? Will it not work? Honestly, don't know. We're still waiting to learn more. All we know right now is what President Trump had to say aboard Air Force One, and he is supposed to land. We might be able to get a live picture of him landing actually at the airport in Andrews Air Force Base. TikTok, middle schoolers everywhere will protest. Yeah, middle schoolers. My daughter actually was on TikTok before. We let her look at TikTok. I know, probably not a good idea, but we did. But we monitored what she did. How long before other social medias will be banned? Well, there's a reason. There's a reason for this, we're being told, and I'm going to try to do some research while I'm on Facebook Live with you right now. It's not as simple as that he doesn't like TikTok. It's a national security issue, according to the president. and according to others as well. Some would say it is being used to spy on our country, according to some people. I'm not saying that. I have not been in the Situation Room or on Air Force One, so I have no idea what is going on with the intelligence that they have gathered. But it is a Chinese-owned company. TikTok is going to be banned, according to the president, unless the company steps in and stops this from happening, which I don't know how they can do this possibly, and I don't know how it would work on how the president, or can they could go, I guess, to every provider, Verizon, um, uh, Alltel, every phone company. They could go to every phone company and just force them to delete it off people's phones. I'm not sure how this is all going to work. The phones you got from Apple are made in China. If they wanted to spy on us, they would do it that way, someone just said. Hello, Rachel. How are you? Rachel Burns, what's up? Yeah, this is a late night discussion I'm having right now. I didn't plan on having this discussion. I plan on ending my Facebook Live, ending my newscast, going upstairs, going to bed when I'm off the clock. But I wanted to go live on Facebook and let everyone know what's going on. I broke the news to my daughter. She's very upset. But social media app TikTok will be gone as early as midnight. President Trump saying Saturday that, sorry. Sorry, I'm just reading some things coming from Washington, D.C. right now on the computer, everyone, so give me a second. It's owned by China. It's already been banned. Yeah, and I think we can all agree the coronavirus came from China. So that's something that has been true, but this is not related to the coronavirus that I know of. I'm reading all your comments right now. Jesse Bamberg says her girls will be sad. I don't care. Adrian Burke is watching. What up, Adrian? How you doing, everyone? Adrian is an amazing assignment manager, I believe, maybe in Pittsburgh. I worked with her. I miss all of my people in Pittsburgh, by the way. And I know there's still some people watching in Pittsburgh right now. So I am just on Facebook Live and trying to read some more information about this. And there's a lot of questions as to if President Trump can actually do this. And he is saying he does have the executive power to do this, to ban TikTok. Don't blame Trump, blame the people that ruined a good platform, says Jennifer. George, how many products are made in China? Should we put them down too? You know, I don't think any of us should judge. Honestly, my job as a reporter is not to judge this situation. We're being told that TikTok is being banned because of security concerns. I don't know what the Defense Intelligence Agency, what the CIA, what the FBI, I have no idea what they know. I would hope that the information they have would indicate that this is a serious risk to our national security. I don't know that, though. I don't know exactly what they're saying. The government they have not shared the specific details of why they are a threat. Yeah, so I'm trying to gather some more information. I'm going to bring it on my screen here. Child trafficking, yes, a lot of apps actually in the United States have been used for child trafficking, human trafficking. Almost every single app has been used for human trafficking. Yes? It's getting banned? Yes. Taylor doesn't think it's getting banned tomorrow. No, it's getting banned. President Donald Trump announcing tonight that TikTok will be banned tomorrow. The only way it would not be banned, I assume, if a judge would get involved and stop it from being banned. So a federal judge would have to get involved, I'm assuming. I really don't have any legal experts right now that we could ask at this hour. It is 11. Yes, Olivia. Can you? I don't want you on camera, please. Okay.
Well, I wanted you to make a video.
No, I'm live on Facebook. I'll come to you in a little bit. Okay. Oh, I can't pause live video. I'll be up there in like 5 minutes.
I needed to make a video of you saying TikTok's getting banned because I'm really sad.
Okay, I'll say it. You ready? Tell me when.
On a video for my friends.
Okay, yes. Tell me when. So my daughter, everyone back there. Anyway.
And go.
Okay, we are getting word tonight that TikTok is being banned in the United States.
Okay, that's good.
Anyway, that was my little girl back there. TikTok being banned in the United States. That is according to, sorry, I'm working from home. For those of you who don't know, I'm working from home. And that's what happens when you work from home. Your little kids come and bother you, but that's okay. Sorry, everyone. Why can't the president have executive orders? Our governor can. The president is allowed to have executive orders, absolutely. The Wish app. There's been a lot of controversy involving the Wish app. I know a lot of people have been talking about Wish. All I ever hear from Wish is from my wife, and she tells me just don't order on Wish. The big complaint I hear is that it takes like, what, 2 months to get something that you order? I don't know if that's true. But any of you who have ordered from Wish, just let me know. Okay, we're back. Sorry, everyone. Tara Jane in Pennsylvania. Any news about Trump delaying the election? Someone says, no, we have no news about Trump delaying the election at all. We have heard nothing about that whatsoever. He can't. President Trump cannot. I'm sorry. You asked that question. President Trump has no ability whatsoever to delay the election. That would be up to Congress. So it can be done, but Congress would have to do that. Congress would have to delay the election. But what I'm talking about right now has absolutely nothing to do with delaying the election. What I'm talking about right now is President Donald Trump announcing tonight that he is going to be banning the app TikTok. And he said this is because of a security issue. He said he will take action as soon as Saturday, which is just in 27 minutes. So as soon as 27 minutes from now, TikTok could be banned in the United States. President Trump made this announcement to reporters Friday on Air Force One. He said, as far as TikTok is concerned, we're banning them from the U.S. The company's operations in the U.S. has been under review by the secretive Committee on Foreign Investment in the U.S. He said he can use his emergency economic powers as an executive order about this. I am going to go on Twitter right now, and I believe the TikTok Corporation, they have a Twitter account, and I'm going to go and see what they are saying, if they are saying anything about this right now. The TikTok US account, I want to see what they have up. This is TikTok 5 hours ago. Okay, 5 hours ago, TikTok. This is Gordon Ramsay. Yeah, they really haven't posted anything other than some TikToks. Yeah, they haven't. All they've done is some TikToks. They haven't addressed the issue whatsoever on their social media. Okay. What are we doing here? I think we can all live without TikTok. The kids will get over it. They'll find something new to do. What the hell is TikTok? Someone writes. That's from Teresa. You can follow me on Instagram by clicking down there below. I I am on TikTok myself. I'm a social media manager. I'm a digital content manager. So my job is to be in touch with all of the social media apps. But I'll tell you right now, I'm going to go ahead and delete it myself. I'm going to delete the TikTok. You know what? I'm going to leave it up because I want to see what happens. Um, I'm going to see what happens. At midnight, if TikTok goes away, we're going to find out what happens. But let me go to Twitter right now and search TikTok and find out, because I know a lot of people right now are making their final TikTok videos. A lot of people talking about Vine. Do you know what Vine is? Do you remember when Vine went away? That wasn't because of the government, though. That was just because of the marketplace. Okay. I'm bringing this up right now. This is just people tweeting about TikTok, small Twitter accounts trying to make a viral TikTok. Yeah, everyone just posting their TikTok videos right now. You're seeing on social media, everyone commenting about TikTok. TikTokers waking up to no TikTok. That's the look there from. Oh wow, President Trump. Yeah, a lot of people thinking that the TikTokers will go to Twitter. So I just want to know what all of you think. Will you be going to Twitter? There's Pikachu. I think that's Pikachu dancing. President Trump says he will ban TikTok. Rest in peace, TikTok, people are saying. So yeah, that is coming out tonight about TikTok. That's what Twitter is saying about TikTok. That TikTok will be going away at midnight. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram, by the way. A shameless plug. Click down there, right down there on your screen. Follow me on Instagram because maybe it's the lesser of the evils of social media. I don't know. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't know. I can't give you my opinion. So TikTok is going to be gone, and unless a federal judge gets involved, we are most likely sorry. Sorry, everyone. Just kind of multitasking here as I go. That's what happens when you're multitasking. Olivia? Sorry, everyone. Just doing two jobs here at one time, but that seems to happen for me multiple times. Just reading some of your comments here. Rachel, what does Rachel have to say? Sorry, your comment went away. TikTok people are angry, but they don't understand politics. Yeah, there's not a lot of people may not understand the politics of this or the national security issue. There's a lot that we don't know right now. We don't know the intelligence behind this. We don't know if China was using TikTok to spy on the United States. If that's the case, then most of you, I would assume, would be obviously okay with banning TikTok. You do not want another country spying on the United States through an app. But once again, we have no evidence that has been given to us from the president that that's true. I have a feeling that evidence will most likely be coming out, if it exists, in the next few days. So I'm going to go a couple more minutes here. I'm going to go till 11:45 Eastern time. I am in Michigan. For those of you who don't know, I am in Michigan right now. So let me take your questions for another 5 minutes, and then I'm going to end our Facebook Live. Hold on. Sorry. Wow, it's been busy. I'm not ignoring you, everyone. I'm looking up multiple things here on my computer. Okay, reading some of the comments here. I love my TikTok. I met some amazing people on it. That's coming from Melissa Ruiz. Deanna says, I have heard before that China is using it for something. You do a great job, Dave. Thank you, Jay Quinn. Sorry for ignoring everyone. I didn't mean to. Some of us buy stock in this. Oh, I didn't know that. Is TikTok publicly traded? Let me look at that, honestly, because if you have stock in TikTok, you are in major trouble. TikTok stock. I'm gonna go live for another 4 minutes, by the way. TikTok. Yeah. Are they on the stock exchange? Oh, ByteDance. ByteDance is the company that it's called. ByteDance. That's the name of the company who owns TikTok, and they are not on the stock exchange. So no, they do not have a stock. Yeah, they do not have stock. So I'm trying to do some research now because a lot of you were asking me about TikTok and is TikTok spying on you? There was an article in Forbes, and Forbes is not really, I would say, maybe apolitical. Is TikTok spying on you for China? This is an article that was written, and I'm trying to see. It's not possible to have your information flow across the Chinese server. That's what the Secretary of State Mike Pompeo is saying, that it is a possibility. I get TikTok says this is not happening. But what does happen right here, according to this, TikTok does collect a lot of personal information on people. And some people are on TikTok for multiple hours every given day. Follow me on Instagram, by the way. Another shameless plug for my Instagram page. Do you realize they will have made something better? Kids will get over it. If kids are heartbroken, they will spend too much time on it. Oh, the Tokyo Stock Exchange. I need to do that. Why are you up this late? I just got done anchoring the news. That's why I'm up this late. I can take off my tie because I'm about to go up to bed. I'm home. I'm going to go live for 2 more minutes on Facebook. What else do we have here? Trisha doesn't trust it for some reason. You don't trust it. TikTok is evil, says John Kaiser. I always had concern about TikTok, and I don't know why. I always felt a little weird about it. Carriers like Apple should be vetting these apps better, says Janet. Melissa said many are changing their VPO to Canada. VPO to keep it. Oh, okay. President who clearly reacted irresponsibly to a national pandemic does not care about the people in this country, says Julie Coleman. I don't know if I would say that, Julie. Obviously, you're entitled to your own opinion, obviously. But the breaking news coming out tonight from Air Force One, President Trump announcing a short time ago that he will be banning TikTok in the United States as early as Saturday. That could be as early as 15 minutes from now. TikTok could be gone on every single device in the United States. So we're going to wrap up this. We're going to wrap up this Facebook Live. And I just wanted to let everyone know that whenever there's breaking news or anything happening in the world, I will come on Facebook, on YouTube, whatever it is, and I will let you know about it. What happens to the app for people who already have it? That's a good question. I don't know what will happen to the app. So I have TikTok. I will be keeping an eye on it. And I'm assuming that the phone companies will just be taking it off your phone. That it will be magically gone, I'm assuming. That's really all I know right now. Okay, I have to show you this. Okay, someone made a funny video. Hold on, and this is okay, right here. TikTok influencers showing up at the White House tomorrow. Take a look. This guy throwing his skateboard over the fence and then jumping over the fence. Obviously, don't do that because you'll be shot. You can't jump over the fence of the White House, but just people making light of the situation, like this one right here. All the teenagers tonight, after hearing about TikTok, Is TikTok getting deleted? Just the memes that are going on social media right now about TikTok. And there's a lot of influencers. There's a lot of people that this is impacting. So just boy, scrolling Twitter, a lot of people just commenting about this. Some people wanting Vine to come back. TikTok influencers pulling up to McDonald's for a job interview. Wow. Okay, everyone. Well, that is the breaking news tonight. It is Friday night. Aline Gilkey says, I don't look good. Well, Aline, I'm sure you don't look good sometimes either, but I don't say anything. I'm joking, Aline. Aline is one of our favorite viewers. She tells me when I look tired. I do look tired because I am tired. So we love you, Aline. We love all the viewers out there. I am tired. I don't look good. I know it. And oh, did Trump say why? Trisha wants to know, did Trump say why he's banning it? He said there is security issues possibly with TikTok. He has talked about the possibility of TikTok spying on people in the United States, and it could be spying on the U.S. government. He said it could be a spy app, so that's the reason he has been doing this. And yes, someone just says it has been banned by the military. It has been banned by the U.S. military. I know, Aline, you were kidding. I was kidding too. Kenneth, Abigail Beckman is watching. What up, Abby? How you doing, Abby? TikTok is being deleted, Abby. I'm not sure if you knew that. Um, Tomorrow, in less than 12 minutes, TikTok could be going away as soon as midnight in the United States. TikTok could be deleted off every device in the United States, according to President Trump. And yes, there are going to be some children, some teenagers who are going to be crying as early as, well, whenever they see me on camera talking about this, or whenever they hear about this, there'll be a lot of upset people. Okay, I'm gonna go. My wife's waiting for me if she isn't already asleep. So I'm gonna talk to you later, everyone. Have a great night, and if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram. I have a link down there. I don't think Instagram will be going anywhere anytime soon, but then again, you never know. Maybe I should make my own app and be the next Mark Zuckerberg of Michigan. How would that work? Trust me, if I knew how to do it, I would. Thank you, Anne. Let's all be nice. Okay, everyone, I'm going to get going. Love you, Aline. Love all the viewers. Can we have a countdown clock? That's interesting. Can we have a countdown clock? I don't know if it's exactly going off at midnight, though. That's the thing. We don't know if it's if we're losing it at midnight or when we're losing it. Oh my God. People want me to stay online. Someone wants me to stay online until midnight to see if what happens to TikTok at midnight. I'm doubting it will go away right at midnight. When President Trump says something, it's not always the case that it's going to happen. I don't mean that politically. I mean that when President Trump says he has a news conference at 5:30, there's many times he'll show up at 6:05. So if they're going to get rid of TikTok on Saturday, it doesn't mean they're going to get rid of it at midnight. Yeah, that is funny. The clock on TikTok, the clock is ticking on TikTok. I should have said that on the air. I should have said that. So let me go to the TikTok app and let's see what happens when I go to it. Okay. Oh, it's loading. Apparently it hasn't been updated in a while. I haven't used it in a while. So let's see what's going on with TikTok. Yeah, Twitter is lighting up about TikTok. It is trending right now on Twitter. Okay, my wife just texted me from upstairs, so I am going to go to her. If TikTok does get officially deleted overnight and I'm awake, I will go live on Facebook Live and let you know all about it. And I will let you know what happens when TikTok officially goes away. I apologize, or I'm not apologizing, but sorry for all of you who are loving the TikTok, but things must come to an end in this world, and TikTok's going away. Vine went away, and everyone got over that. My TikTok right now on my phone is updating, so I'm going to see what happens when it updates. And we're going to take a look and see what happens. And as soon as we know what happens, I will let you know if TikTok's gone on my phone. It's updating right now. Is anyone watching right now? Let me know. What are you on TikTok right now? What's happening if you go on TikTok? Is it gone? Is it there? Let me know what happens if you go on your TikTok account. I think TikTok might be gone. I hit the TikTok button on my phone right now, and it says not enough memory to allow update. So maybe I don't have enough memory on my phone, or TikTok is actually gone. And let me delete some of my apps. Delete some of my apps here and see what happens. Okay, trying to download TikTok again and see what happens. Are any of you are you using TikTok right now? Let me know. Let me see what's happening here. Let me try to go on my Facebook Live and see what you were saying. Yeah, it's trying to download TikTok on my phone. I had it on my phone. This is really weird. Maybe it's gone. I'm looking at another screen here. I have two screens in front of me, so that's why I keep looking away. For those of you, I'm not ignoring you. Yeah, unable to install TikTok. My device does not have enough storage. I don't believe that to be true. Let me try it on my other phone. I have a personal phone as well. Let me try that. Let me see what I can do on my personal phone. Or do I have TikTok on this phone? I don't. No, I don't. Texting my daughter to come down here because she is the TikTok person. And I'm trying to see if TikTok is still working. Sorry, I can't load any of your comments. Sorry, let me check right now. So for those of you just watching, once again, TikTok, President Trump announcing that he is going to be banning TikTok in the United States, citing security concerns. He is saying that he has the absolute right to do this. Okay, a lot of people are saying that they do have TikTok, and that they do have them. We know. Why do you have two phones, a work phone and a personal phone? That's why. Okay, TikTok's working fine for everyone else. I'm leaving you right now. Thank you, everyone, for watching. My wife is waiting. I am going to go. I will see you this weekend. Have a good weekend, everyone.